Okay guys, another day, and today I don't plan to work a lot. I'm planning to do a few exercises. I plan to go cycling, and I was thinking going to Palm Springs, but I was like, I don't know. But I was just working on a video. I got another YouTube channel. I have this one, and I have another one in Spanish. And I was, creating a video, and then I got this offer from Uber Eats. It's like 13 miles for $18. It's not great, but it's gonna put me to the place where I want to go bike. So I already set up my bike right here. So I'm going to take the offer and drop it off, and from then I'm going to go biking. One thing about these delivery apps is that you can sponsor your sports, which is great. Okay, let me go pick it up because I'm already going late. Guys, over here at the restaurant to do the first pickup of the day. So was far. The only reason I took it, like I said before, is because I was debating if I should go to Palm Springs to do cycling. And well, this offer takes me there, and it makes me money. So let me go inside. Hi, how are you? I got a pickup for Darren. Thank you very much. Have a good day. And that was it, guys. They had it ready. So now I'm going to go and drop it off. Guys, so we're here doing the first drop off, and this area is far from where I am, but it just put me right at the spot where I want to be. So they got beautiful houses right here in Palm Springs. Okay, so he said leave it at the door. I think it's open. I think it's open. And that's it, guys. Now let's get on the way. Okay guys, so right now we're going to get cycling out of the way. And the way that I like to structure my workouts is that I like to do at least one time cycling per week. And I play soccer 3 times, and then I try to go to the gym for all the body parts, which is normally takes me 4 days. So Monday is my best day to do cycling, because then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays I play soccer at night, and on Wednesdays in the morning, Tuesdays and Thursdays I play at night, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, they're the weekends, so they're the money days. So sometimes I have time to go cycling on those days, but normally I don't. So it is easy for me to work out at the gym on the weekends than go cycling, because when you go cycling it takes more time to prepare the bike, then drive to the location, and then bike back to your car. So right now I'm doing cycling in Palm Springs. Normally I do it closer to the area where I dash, because sometimes I just put the bike in the trunk, and and I go do dashing like that. It's not very intelligent, because I have the bike in the trunk, anyone can take it. but I try to go to restaurants that are fast. I don't go to restaurants that are in locations where I have to leave the bike for a long time. So, but right now, so I'm going to cycle, and hopefully I can do, I don't know, hour 2 hour cycling, and then put it in the truck and then drive back to my son and do some food delivery tonight. We will see, but I keep you updated. So we're getting into Palm Springs downtown. So this place over here in this area, so you get a lot of offers if you doing food delivery, but the problem is the parking. There is close to no parking, so you have to park all the way in the back parking lot and walk. So sometimes, well, right now it's not busy, so you can get parking right here, but when it's busy, there's no way. So let me see. So let's keep going down. Like, you see right there? That's the statue of Marilyn Monroe. It's very popular. Seeing, I passed by it and not even noticed. Okay, let this lady move. You can see right there. Very popular statue. So it keeps going down, guys. They also got over here these weird things. I have no idea what they are, but they're very popular. It's called greetings. I don't know. We're almost done with the bike ride. Truck is right there, so I'm going to put the bike in the truck and then head back to my house, drop off the bike, and then hopefully go work for a little bit. We will see. Hey guys, we're working on the first order of dinner shift, and this is from Pizzeria Bandidos. And when I took the offer, it was gonna be a little over 5 miles, $15. So hopefully they have it ready. Hey, how are you? I got a pickup for Gregory. That's it?
Gregory D?
Yeah, the Gregory D.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Okay guys, so we just got it. Kind of like, let me bag it. Hi, Gregory. How are you? Okay, here you have it. Guys, we're working on the next offer of the night dinner shift, and this is from the T-Bone Bar. When I took the order, it was going to be close to $14, but I believe 4 miles, so it's pretty decent.
Make a right turn, then pick up on the right.
So hopefully they have it ready.
Did you have a good dinner?
So I just got the food and I'm bagging it, and and I also pick up another order from Grubhub. Oh, I'm not sure if it's marked. Let me go ahead and fix it. Yeah, that's going to be from Pizzeria Bandidos. That's fine. Okay guys, I'll keep you updated. Okay guys, so we're working on the next drop-off from Cibo, and let me get this. And he wants me to put it on the table. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, that's it. Now hopefully we can get more decent offers. Okay guys, we're working on the next pickup of the night, and this is for Country Club Cafe. When I took the offer was a little over 3 miles for $15, so it's pretty good. So now the only issue is that this one is from Grubhub and probably had to wait, but hopefully I don't have to wait a long time. What a surprise guys, they had it ready. So that's good. It's a beautiful, this is the best time, well, around 6:30 to close to 7:15 is the best time to shoot videos, especially, you know, for the drone. Anyway, so that was off topic. So they had the order ready, so I'm going to bag it, take it to the customer and grab the money. Okay guys, so we're working on the next drop off, and I believe it's 186, 184, 180, that one right there. And after I'm done with this one, I got one for Luna Grill. 188. I think it's this right here, the other side. For $15 for 5 miles. And this is done. Right, text deliver. Okay guys, so now we need to go get the other pickup from Luna Grill. Okay guys, I'm working on the next pickup of the night, and it is from Luna Grill for, I think it was $15.
Make
for
a
3
left
items.
turn, then pick up on the left.
So let's go inside. I think they have it ready. You can see it from here. Alright, so we got the pickup from Luna Grill. It's huge. So he only said 3 items. Weird. Let me check this. 3 items. Family meal for 4. Oh, okay, I guess. Let me put this in the truck. Guys, we're doing the drop off from Luna Grill. Grab it and pour this out right here. 35. Let me see if it's open. And that's it, guys. You're welcome. Have a good night. Okay, guys, so let's get on the way.